Hi everyone, let's make pebble art today. Let's get started. First we are going to spread this white and yellow paint, and then we are going to make lines on it using brush and red paint. We are making a 3D painting here. So look, we are making an apple. Give more shade like we are doing here. Hold the brush very lightly and look, it is ready. You can make more such realistic paintings. We are going to make strawberry in this pebble. First spread the white paint on the pebble using brush. Now spread gently the red paint and green as well. Here we are making seeds of the strawberries. Now we are adding this yellow color slowly on it, and it will give a 3D look to the strawberry. Now we are using very thin brush and give shade of white on it, and look, it is ready. Let's make pebble art today. So first cover the pebble using white paint. Now start drawing. Here we are making Chinese cabbage here. So we are spreading this yellow and green paint like this. We are going to give it shade. Now change the brush. We are using a very thin brush here and slowly spread the paint. Look how we are making the strokes now. We are using white paint here, and look, it is ready now. Look how real this painting is looking. Let's draw this beautiful butterfly on this pebble. Pebble art are very popular nowadays. You can use them as decor piece for your home. Look how we are spreading this black paint around the wings and use white color as well. And look, your butterfly is ready. We are going to make pebble art, so we are picking this big size pebble. Look, first we are going to spread the paint, clean it first, and start drawing the outline using a pencil. Here we are making cherry, so first draw the shape of the cherry using pencil. Now start coloring it. First we are going to do white color. The paint is easy when you put the white color first. Now spread all the paint, and look, your cherry is ready, and look how pretty these are looking. In this video, we are going to make 3D pomegranate artwork. First spread the white paint around it and start coloring it. Use a thin brush and spread the red paint like we are doing here. We are going to use the white paint as well, and look at the details. And look, your 3D pomegranate artwork is ready. Spin the pebble and look how pretty this is looking. In this video, we are going to make drawing on both sides of the pebble. First cover it with white color. Now start spreading the yellow and green and then red color on the one side of the pebble. Add more detailed lines like this. We are using white color here, and add more small detail like this, and look, it is ready. You can make a flower on other side. Thank you so much for watching this video.